In today's video, I'm painting with alcohol inks on a set of some glazed ceramic coasters. Coasters are one thing that I really enjoy making. Obviously, they're usable pieces of art, but you can get some really amazing designs on something that's so small. I mainly work with wood, so this is the first time that I'm trying out ceramic or porcelain. These are 4-inch coasters, and I will end up finishing them with resin and some cork on the back. I just have a couple of colors picked out, magenta, purple, and a light blue. And then I have an idea of embellishing them with some gold. I started with the Revlon hairdryer and then actually switched to the airbrush, and the airbrush worked a little bit better for me on these. Obviously, working with a new substrate like the glazed coasters is a little bit new for me, so I'm still figuring out what works well with those compared to what I'm used to with just acrylics on wood, which are a little bit easier. Once I had my other 3 coasters done, I ended up just taking some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, and I wiped off that first coaster. So as you can see, it works really well. If you make a mistake or don't like what you do, you can just clean it right off and reuse that coaster. So that was really nice to see that it's so forgiving that if you end up making something that you don't like, a little bit of rubbing alcohol is just going to remove it right from that glazed surface, and you can start over. Overall, I really enjoyed how these turned out. This gives me a lot of ideas in the future for how I can do some different styles and designs of coasters than what I normally make. And I have some other ideas for different things like plates and trays to just have some decorative pieces. So I will be doing some more of these. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I put out 3 videos a week. Obviously, I'm having a lot of fun with my alcohol inks right now, but I will have some really fun acrylic fluid art paintings in the future.